Hi everyone, today I'll be making peanut butter chicken noodles. It's a very delicious recipe. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's begin. To marinate the chicken, you will need 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sweet chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Then add the chicken to the sauce and leave for 1 hour in the fridge. In a saucepan, take 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and 1 whole onion cut into small pieces. Then in a different pan, take 250 grams of egg noodles and let them cook for about 5 minutes. Then halfway, add 1 whole broccoli to the noodles. Then with the onions, add the whole hour marinated chicken. Then add a little bit of water and add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 bell pepper, and then add 2 teaspoons of peanut butter and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Then add the cooked broccoli to the chicken and mix well. Then add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, a pinch of salt. Then add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sweet chili sauce to the noodles. Then add the noodles to the chicken and mix well. Voila! Now we are all done, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can even add some coriander to add more taste. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye!